Okay, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Zapier so that you get notified when a new lead comes in. Because our entire strategy here is really centered around getting people to submit their information and then after that, schedule a call with us. But not everybody's going to schedule a call. So we want to inevitably collect that information through the lead form and have that all be put into a spreadsheet so we can follow up with these leads down the road if they don't book a call with us. So let's go ahead and set this up here. We have the Facebook lead form lead ads here, and we want this to be triggered whenever we receive a brand new lead. And so you want to make sure here that you are connecting the right page and you're setting up the right form. So let's go to the page here. Okay, so now that we have the business page here that we're running the actual lead form from, we want to then select the actual lead form. And I believe it's this one here that I just created. And then we're going to go to continue. And if you want to pull in some sample lead data here, you can go ahead and do that. And then the next step is for us to go to the Google Sheets and place, well, we can just go to right here. And then we want to have the lead information get placed into the lead form. And so what we're going to do here is create a spreadsheet row, go to continue, and then we want to find the actual sheet here. So let's go ahead and connect this to our G Suite. Let's go to allow, and then we'll go to the spreadsheet here. We want to look to find the spreadsheet, which is Facebook lead ads, which is this one right here. And I believe, yep, Facebook lead ads. And then all you got to have is your name, email, and phone. And then we'll go to worksheet, which is the 0 there. It should be the first one that pops up. And then the name, email, and phone number. So here we'll go down and we'll select the first area, which is the actual email. Well, excuse me. This is the email information. We want the name. So we'll grab the name there. And then right here, the email we want down here. So right there, boom, good to go. And then the phone number, we'll grab that as well. Awesome. Okay, so let's go to continue here. And let's go to test and review, okay? So this is going to set up a sample actual name, email, and phone number lead going to the form here. And here we go. Perfect, okay? So now what's going to happen is that whenever somebody goes through the Facebook lead form and they submit their information and then they go to the calendar booking page, then that's when this information here is going to get automatically put into the spreadsheet so you can get notified that you got a new lead in the door, okay? So now that we've gone over how to set up your Zapier automation here so that you get these leads into a spreadsheet, let me show you how the calendar booking page looks like. It's very simple. And so all we have here is a very simple calendar embed, and we're asking the prospects if they're looking for more projects, more patients, right, more jobs, and then to schedule a call below so that they can learn how they can get guaranteed customers for their business, right? So it's really just as simple. We just need this simple landing page with a calendar on it and just this simple headline here. If you want to learn how to embed this, so you would go to, let's say, where's it at? Go to Calendly here, and you would go to add to a website, and you would go to the inline embed here, okay? And you would copy this code, and you would open up an HTML form, and you would submit this code, and it would automatically pop this up here, okay? So now what we want to do is have an automated email sent to us each time a new lead comes into the spreadsheet, okay? So the Facebook lead form ad here is going to get a new lead, right? It's going to go into the spreadsheet here, and then there's going to be an email sent to us letting us know a new lead has been added to the spreadsheet, right? Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to go down here and go to email by Zapier, okay? And then we want it to be email by Zapier and then send outbound email, okay? So we'll go to continue here, and then it'll be for us here to put in your email address in here. Okay, great. And then we can put in here new hot dental lead. Okay, and then this is where we want to put in the information. So we want to put in you've received, just got a new dental client lead. And then right here, this is where we want to put the data in here. So we can put the full name right there. And then we'll put in the email address, and then we want the phone number. Okay, just that simple there. And then it's going to be from us. Okay, and then that should be it there. Okay, good, continue. And then we want to test and review. You always want to make sure that you're testing this out to make sure that it's working. So we'll go to test. Let's take a look at how this looks. So it's going to be right here. So new hot dental lead, it's going to come from your name there, and it's coming from this email address here, no reply at Zapier Mail. And then here is the information here. You got a new dental lead, and then here's going to be the first name, email, and phone number. So that's how simple it is. As far as this inbound lead process, we have a new lead that comes in through the Facebook lead form. Then that lead gets populated into a spreadsheet. And then as soon as that lead goes into the spreadsheet, we're going to get an automated email saying we just got a new lead in the door. So that's going to be it here for the Facebook inbound lead system, and we'll see you on the next one.